The word on everybody's lips these days is vaccine, which in Italian translates as
vaccino,
masculine, plural,
vaccini, vaccino.
Both the Italian and English terms derive from the Latin vacca, meaning cow, and the adjective vaccinus, meaning of a cow. In Italian, vaccino can also function as an adjective that means of the cow. For example, cow's milk translates as
Latte vaccino,
whereas
carne vaccina.
is the word for beef. Here are a few different kinds of vaccines.
Vaccino antinfluenzale contro l'influenza.
Flu vaccine,
Vaccino antimorbillo.
measles vaccine,
Vaccino antirosolia.
rubella vaccine,
Vaccino antipolio.
polio vaccine,
Vaccino di richiamo.
booster injection. Richiamo means recall in this case.
I miei genitori hanno fatto il vaccino la settimana scorsa.
My parents got the vaccine last week. Related to vaccino are the noun
Vaccinazione.
vaccination and the verbs
Vaccinare.
and.
Vaccinarsi.
The former quite literally means to vaccinate, whereas the reflexive form means to get vaccinated. They are synonyms of.
Farsi il vaccino.
Figuratively speaking, vaccinarsi can also mean to be hardened against something or to toughen oneself up.
Essere vaccinato.
Literally, to be vaccinated, is another way of saying that someone is grown up or experienced. It appears in the common expression,
Essere adulto e vaccinato.
which is used, often in an ironic sense, to describe an adult who can or should be able to make their own choices and face the inevitable difficulties of life.
Ormai è adulto e vaccinato. Deve trovare la sua strada.
He's a big boy now. He must find his own path.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.